Hey guys, welcome back to your favorite channel. In today's video I'll share with you a remedy to treat itchy skin and heat. If your skin seems to feel really hot and very itchy, this remedy is going to help sort all of that and keep your skin refreshed, cool and very healthy. So this remedy we're going to make use of just cumin seed. But before we get started, if this is your first time watching this channel, click on the subscribe button below and turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos on this channel. And if you find this video helpful and useful, share with your friends and loved ones and give it a huge thumbs up. This remedy, I'll need a bowl, and all you need to do is to add 1 teaspoon of the cumin seed in there, and you go ahead and boil this with 4 cups of water. And here is what you should have after your boil. Boil it with 4 cups of water and you allow it to sit until it's completely cooled. And when it's cold, you go ahead and give your body a really nice wash with the water. So we'll just strain this out. Guys, go ahead and take a really nice shower with this. This should be done after you've taken your bath already and you still feel hot and your skin seems to be really itchy. You apply this, just pour it on your body. You prepare just enough quantity that is going to cover your entire body, and trust me, you'll be feeling really cool and satisfied. The itchiness is going to be gone and your skin will be really cool and you feel really great. So there you have it guys. Go ahead and try this and share your results with me in the comment section below. Also share this video with your friends, your loved ones, your family. Give it a huge thumbs up because definitely it was very healthy and helpful. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so that you miss any of my upcoming videos. And as for this remedy, there's no particular order. Whenever you feel hot and itchy, just get into your kitchen and prepare yourself this wonderful remedy. And that is it guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.